Yeah, we're driving along and the exhaust self-cleaning light came on, along with the engine light and the spanner. And it also limited to the RPM to 2,500 RPM. So I had a look in the manual, and apparently that's when the DPF system needs to do a manual self-cleaning, because we haven't been doing enough long trips. We've been doing only short trips for a while, and so the DPF system gets a bit clogged up, and so it's just letting us know that we need to do a manual self-clean. So I looked up in the book and it showed me how to engage that. I'll show you how to do that. Yeah, so I'm just going to show you how to engage the manual DPF cleaning setup on this GWM Cannon. So to do that, to begin with, you need to push the start button here without your foot on the brake, which basically turns on the accessory like this, and then put your foot on the brake, and down the bottom here, if you can see it, got this little button above this little light control here. Hold that down for 5 seconds. Yeah, so after you've held that for 5 seconds, you'll see up on the screen here a note that says start engine with idle. Yeah, so after that, all you do is push start, and then it'll start the process, and the engine will immediately start revving up to like 1,800 RPM and then to 2,000, as you'll see now. But yeah, so it'll manually just sit there a bit above 2,000 RPM for 15-20 minutes and just clean itself out. So once it's finished, it'll just return back to normal idle, and we should be to drive away with the clean DPF system.